In the bustling world of hospitality, the true worth of a restaurant often hinges on the precision of its valuation. But how do you sift through the noise of bad data and online hearsay to find the real value? It all starts with EBITDA, the cornerstone of financial understanding in the restaurant trade. This acronym stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. It's a measure that strips away the future uncertainties of interest and taxes, along with the non-cash expenses of depreciation and amortization, to reflect the business's potential for new owners. Then there's seller's discretionary earnings, or SDE, which builds upon EBITDA. It adds back one-time expenses, owner earnings, manager salaries, and personal expenses paid by the business. This figure is crucial, especially for single-store valuations and SBA-backed loans. While some argue location is key, it's the financial performance that truly dictates a restaurant's value. Revenue, profits, and control over prime costs are the true north in this complex equation. There are three main methods: asset-based, income-based, and sales-based. The income-based approach, which uses SDE, is the most trusted by lenders, while the sales-based method is outdated and unreliable. For sellers, the golden rule is to maintain up-to-date, detailed financial records. And if real estate is involved, consider a professional appraisal. Don't forget to account for intangible assets like franchise agreements or trademarks. Beware of overvaluation by brokers unfamiliar with the hospitality industry. Emotional attachment can skew figures, and underestimating liabilities can lead to unpleasant surprises. At the end of the day, valuation is a math problem with a wrong and right answer. It requires a keen understanding of financial metrics and a vigilant eye for detail. For those navigating this complex terrain, expert guidance is not just helpful, it's essential. Consult the professionals at We Sell Restaurants for an accurate assessment that truly reflects your business's worth.